Hey guys, welcome to Born to Win. I'm glad that you guys are back for another video. Today's video is going to be something that's very simple, not that. I'm going to fix this angle of this camera a little bit. Let me fix you guys up for you guys could see me a little bit better. There we go. Alrighty guys, welcome to another video. Like I said, if you guys are new to the channel, you guys don't know who I am. My name's Luis Jimenez. The point that and the reason why I actually made this channel was to make you guys better as entrepreneurs, business owners, help you guys out on your guys' journey by sharing my experiences and my life on the way to getting there. Okay guys? Alright, so I appreciate you guys for coming on the channel. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, share the video at the end if it provided you any type of value, and let's get straight into it, okay? This is such a personal topic, especially when you guys are barely coming up and you guys are up and coming people that just might not even have a business yet. You're just like thinking about it because you're like, hey dude, I'm tired of the 9 to 5. I don't want to be in this trap. I want to get out of this. That's usually the trap that we're in, and the reason why we're in that trap is because of our influence that is around us. So in the household, if you have your mom and dad telling you, hey, you know, you got to take the corporate route, you got to go to college, you got to do this, you got to do that, you get influenced by that a lot, guys. You guys have to understand that you are who you hang around with, whether that's your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, whatever the case may be. You are going to be the product of whoever you're hanging out with. So if they're not millionaires, if they don't have what you have, what you want to have, then why are you hanging out with them? That's my question to you guys. I had to cut off a lot of people that I really love. Like, those are like my family. I grew up with those people. They are my best friends. But doesn't mean that I have to completely cut them off out of my life and I don't have to talk to them at all. It's just I limit my time with them because I know they don't have what I have, and they can't teach me with the skills that they have in this current moment. They're not going to teach me anything that's going to accelerate my growth and get me closer to my goal. So you guys have to understand, you guys have to wake up that if you're not hanging out with the people that you want to be hanging out with, you have to cut off your inner circle and start all over again, okay? And that doesn't necessarily mean that it's not, don't use this as an excuse, because a lot of people use this as an excuse. Well, I'm in a small town, man, and I don't know a lot of people. I don't know millionaires. I don't know this. Hey, man, there's always online. There's always online. You don't have to be influenced by someone or someone to influence you. You don't have to be eye to eye to them, or you don't have to be in human contact with them. All you need to do is be immersed in their knowledge, immersed in their content, immersed in everything. Go all the way in. Not like my mentor says, Grant Cardone, you're not supposed to just drink the Kool-Aid, man. Submerge yourself in the Kool-Aid, swim in your Kool-Aid, become it. Dude, inject it in your goddamn veins if you have to. Just become one with your grind. You have to understand that these people don't have what you want. And God didn't give them the vision to be able to see what you see. You see mansions, you see beautiful women, you see beautiful cars, you see beautiful lifestyle. That's not gonna come with hanging out with Jenny down the block, or hey, that Jenny down the block. That's Jennifer Lopez. That was the first name that came up to mind. But I thought Jenny of the block. But Jenny down the block. If you know Jennifer Lopez, you know J-Lo, the queen herself. Then you're on the right path. But that's beside the point. Okay, let's not get sidetracked. But yeah, if you're hanging out with Tom around the corner, Tom around the block, whatever the case may be, they don't have what you want. They don't have what you want. So be surrounded by people that motivate you, man. If people are coming up to you and you tell them your big dreams, you could tell when someone's being supportive. And it's not even, oh, that person has to be rich for you to be part of, for them to be part of your inner circle. It not necessarily based off of income. I'm not saying that. You need to hang around with people that are going to push you, motivate you, and say, when you tell them your dreams, they're like, hell yeah, man, you could do it. Instead of saying, well, I don't know if you could do that, man. Like, you should slow down. You're really gonna burn out. You're not a candle, bro. I don't know if you guys can see that candle behind me, but there's a candle behind me. You're not a candle, bro. Okay? You're not gonna burn out. Okay? You're not gonna burn out. You're an external energy, like you're a big life force. Okay? Unlimited in energy. Never think of that, okay? Understand that you guys need to put in work, you guys need to put in time, but above work ethic is your inner circle. Someone that has a strong will, someone that has a strong work ethic, it does not matter if they're surrounded by losers all their life and that's all they get surrounded by. Instead of immersing themselves in a book, immersing themselves learning someone else's content that has done what they wanted to do. Instead of doing that, they're just like listening to people that are dumb, people that don't have goals, people that don't have ambitions, people that don't want to change the world, people that just don't want to grow. Okay, so that's period. That I'm not gonna go too much in depth with it because I could go more and I could make a 30-minute speech about this just alone. But understand, number one, don't hang out with losers. Don't hang out with people that don't have ambition, don't want to change the world, don't want to have a great lifestyle, have no ambition at all. Okay, guys, you guys have to be surrounded by hungry people. If you're not surrounded by them, then go find them through a book, virtually. Get mentored. Tell people that you'll work for them for free. Tell them, hey, you know what, Gary Vaynerchuk? I know that I probably can't do this, but I know that I don't have the experience to be able to work with you, but I'll work for you for free, man. What do you want me to do? You want me to take out the fucking trash can? It's better than the position that you're in right now. Okay, understand that anything is better than what you're at right now. Hang around with, you don't even have to go that big as Gary Vaynerchuk. You know what you could do? Just start in the beginning. Who's the richest guy that you know? Who's the guy that's getting the money in your city? Go up to him, say, hey man, I'll work for you for free. You think that guy is super famous? He's just gonna tell you off? No, just literally go up to him. Hey man, I'm a humble entrepreneur right now. I want to learn what you're doing right now and do it better and possibly progress and get better as myself. So you go up to that person, you're like, hey man, I really look up to what you're doing. Can you teach me how to do that as well? I'll work for free, man, in the beginning. I just want to learn. I just want to get something up. People love people that ask for help, okay, guys? You guys have to understand that you guys have to ask for help. You guys have to look for those mentors, and that is the biggest thing that you could do. Surround yourself with a badass circle, okay? People are currency. People are currency, not money, okay? So if you make a relationship, you have a friend for a lifetime and you're gonna make money off of them for a lifetime, okay? But if you just make one simple transaction, that's why you're failing at the game. That's why right now people aren't, like, people that just always chase after more customers. It's good, but also take care of the people that you have right now. Take care of your inner circle. Take care of your inner network. That's why it's important to have powerful people in your inner network. If you're hanging around with fucking losers, well then what do you suspect, bro? No result is going to be happening, okay? I hope this video gave you a lot of value. If it did, hit that thumbs up, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications because I'm going to be doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers. I'm probably going to be doing a $500 gift card or a $100 gift card. I haven't decided yet, okay? So stay tuned to the next video. Just remember, you guys were born to win. You guys make the extraordinary look ordinary. Until next time, guys. Love you guys. Peace.